Hi, welcome back to 2 South 1 Pack.
Today we're going down a very easy trail called the Watermain Trail, so follow along.
Let's go!
So that was the Watermain Trail. Really, it's just a connecting trail, so light gravel, super wide path, very easy to ride on.
Yeah, and it's more fun if you go up from south to north. From north to south is just pretty boring, just sliding down.
So for me, I guess it's a 0 out of 5.
Same as me, 0 out of 5. Alright, that's it for our video. See you next time.
Like and subscribe.